In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Manus AI profile name. Changing your display name is a small update that helps teammates recognize you and keeps your account consistent across chats and projects. Here's how to do it from start to finish. First, open your preferred browser and head to the Manus AI app by entering the site address. Sign in if you aren't already. You'll land on your main workspace. If you're using a mobile browser, the flow is the same. Just tap instead of click and look for the profile icon near the top. Next, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen and click Profile. This is the area that controls your personal settings and account details. If you're on a smaller screen, it may appear as your current name or a small circle with your initials. Once the profile panel is open, click your avatar. The avatar is the circular image or placeholder next to your name. Clicking it takes you into a more detailed view of your personal information where you can make changes to how you appear. Inside this view, choose Edit Profile. This opens the fields you can modify, including your profile name. You'll see an input box ready for editing. Type your desired name into the name field. Take a moment to check spelling and capitalization, and choose a version that fits how you want to appear to colleagues or collaborators. Many platforms prefer standard letters and spaces, so keeping it simple can help ensure it displays correctly everywhere. If you're aligning this with a team naming convention, match the format you use elsewhere. Also, avoid adding personal information you don't want visible to others, since your profile name may appear in shared chats and documents. When you're satisfied with the new name, click Exit to finish. Exiting the editor closes the profile panel and applies your change. You should now see your updated name reflected in the top right area of the app and anywhere your profile appears. If the update doesn't show immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page to pull in the latest information. That's all it takes to change your Manus AI profile name. To recap, you go to the app, open Profile in the upper right, select your avatar, choose Edit Profile, enter the name you want, and then exit to wrap up. Keeping your profile name accurate helps others find you quickly and reduces confusion in shared workspaces. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to update how you appear in Manus AI.